Once upon a time, in a small English village beside the cold sea, there lived a fisherman named Jack. Jack was not the best fisherman in the village. He was not the fastest, not the strongest, but he had one thing that no other fisherman in that village had. He never went home without trying one more time. Every morning, the fishermen went out together. They left before sunrise, small wooden boats moving quietly across the dark water. The cold air, the smell of salt, the sound of waves against old wood. Most days, the fish came easily enough, but some days they did not come at all. On those days, when the nets came up empty again and again, the other fishermen looked at the sky, looked at the water, looked at each other, and turned their boats toward home. It made sense. The fish were not there. Going home early meant rest. It meant saving energy for a better day tomorrow. Jack never turned his boat around. Not once. When the other boats headed back to shore, Jack stayed on the water. Just one more cast, just one more hour, just one more try. The other fishermen saw this every time. They shook their heads. Jack is out there again. They would say, "Stupid man, wasting his time on empty water." Jack heard what they said. He said nothing back. He just cast his net one more time. There is a feeling that every person who has ever kept going knows very well. The feeling of trying again when everything around you says stop. When the results are not coming, but something inside you will not let you. Just a quiet voice that one more try is always worth more than going home to wonder. Days passed, weeks passed, months passed. Jack went out every morning before sunrise. Jack stayed on the water every evening when the other left. Jack cast his net one more time every single day, when every other fisherman had already decided the day was done. Nothing dramatic happened. No big catch, no sudden reward, no moment where the water filled with fish and everything changed overnight. Just Jack on his boat, casting one more time. Then, one evening in the late autumn, everything changed. The other boats had gone home 2 hours earlier. The sky was grey, the water was cold, the light was almost gone. Jack cast his net one more time. He felt it immediately. The weight was different, heavier than anything he had felt in years. The net pulled down hard and strong and full. He pulled it up slowly. It was the largest catch anyone in that village had seen in 20 years. Jack sat in his boat for a long moment. He looked at the net. He looked at the dark water around him. He looked at the empty horizon, where the other boats had gone 2 hours ago. He did not shout. He did not celebrate. He just thought about all those empty evenings on the water, all those casts that came up with nothing, all those mornings he had gone out before sunrise when his body was tired and the bed was warm and every sensible part of him said stay home today. He had not stayed home, not once. His eyes went to the net again, heavy, full, real. The next morning, Jack was on the water before anyone else. The sky was still dark. The air was cold, the other fishermen were still sleeping in their warm beds. Jack cast his net one more time. Most people stop one cast too early. They stop when the water looks empty, when the results are not coming, when the people around them have already given up and gone home. But the water is never truly empty. Sometimes the catch of your life is sitting just beneath the surface, waiting for the one person patient enough to cast one more time. Do not go home yet. Cast one more time.